In the Irish countryside, the worst sound the family could hear was the pounding of hooves outside their door. It meant the Dullahan had chosen them. He rides headless on a black steed, his decaying skull tucked under one arm, its grin wide enough to split the skin. The skull's hollow eyes glow faintly, casting a sickly light that falls on the house of the damned. Wherever that glow lingers, death soon follows. One tale tells of a vendor who woke to the sound of hooves circling his cottage. When he peered through the shutters, he saw them, the rider lifting his crimes from his rotting lips. Within 3 days, he was found lifeless, his eyes clouding, as if he had stared into the face of the Reaper itself. No locks, no prayers, no charms can bar his curse. The Dullahan's whip, woven from a human spine, cracks through walls and doors alike. He rides not at random, but with purpose, carrying a tomb of the dying. And so they say, if you hear hooves stop outside your home, do not look, do not open the door. For once the Dullahan chooses a house, no one inside will escape his gaze.